Gold, creating another record high levels at 30.45.44, has retraced and has seen the lows at 30.22, while silver has been seen trading in a narrow zone, failing to stay below 33.60 levels. What to expect today from gold and silver? Big day today. The Fed rate cut decision and the interest rate projections for the year 2025 and the next few quarters. Definitely it's going to bring volatility. Which direction it's going to be? And yes, post the decision, Chairman Powell's press conference is what we all will be waiting eagerly. So definitely volatility has to be there. Which direction it's going to be, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, see it was trading bullish here, trading with the divergence from the 20 period, taking the support. We have seen it bouncing back. Now it has retraced and see lower lows are getting created. So yes, you need to just connect the dots. You should see this as a nice flag. And now once it trades earlier in the day, also I have mentioned 30.42.44 should be a good, and we have seen a struggle at the same zone from. And now again, if you see it is staying above 30.36.38, you can buy here at 36.38 zone. Once it trades above 38, you can expect 42.44 as the first target, and beyond that we can still expect a little resistance at around 30.48.52. Now once 30.52 is taken, then only you should treat gold as bullish, and then we can just close our eyes and stay bullish. Beyond 30.52 levels, I'll be expecting it to move all the way towards 30.68.70. Now see what has happened here. It has seen a good dip and it is trying to recover. However, it has breached below 20 period moving average for once, and now this is a significant breach. This suggests that there could be a move from gold which is going to take it towards the 50 period as well, that is sitting at around 30.20 levels. The stock IST hitting the double bottom, trying to bounce back, looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards here, while the RSI is also dropped sharp. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour charts, what gold did is it has moved towards 20 period, and see this, none of the candles closed below 30.30. That is pretty important, and thus we need to see trading below 30.30. Now see this first rise then retracement, second bigger rise then retracement. It has kissed 20 period and now trying to bounce back. And thus again, if you see it is staying above 30.38, you can expect we may see higher highs here. Possibility is there, which means 30.48.52 zone can be there possibly. But when you look at this long-term trend line, see, you can see a greater resistance is offered at around this line. And as I say, 30.42.44 and in fact 30.48.52 should offer a greater resistance. The stochastic has dropped sharp here. The MACD has also crossed over here, trading with moderate bearishness. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour. Now see on the 3 hour charts, it is one single candle has erased the gains from last 5 to 6 candles, and now the current one is trying to retrace. However, also notice if you look at the move here on the 3 hour charts, again after a divergence, prices converge towards 20 period. Now 20 period here sitting at around 30.15 levels. So there is a possibility that prices or the follow-up candle, that is the next candle, might take the prices again downwards and can move towards 30.15 levels. Now there are key support levels on the downside. So first, you can take a selling entry. If you see now price is trading below 30.30, you can take a selling entry, expect it to move towards 30.24.25 first, 30.20 second, and then 30.15.16. If 30.15.16 is taken, you can say slight bearishness to prevail there. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped here. The MACD crossing over here, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bearishness, looking downwards. Certainly, we can expect more bearishness from here. See, twin top is created. There is a possibility of a retracement. The RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. See, it was trading extremely overbought, and then this one single candle has appeared. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, see, if you see, this could become a reversal sign. First thing is where the current candle closes. If at all the current candle closes below this zone, that is 30.30, 30.32, you can expect the next candle is going to take it further down. Possibility is high, but then again the next candle has to trade below 30.30. That will confirm the next downward move, possibly all the way towards 30.20, 30.15 or 30.10 zone. Possibility is there. Now here if you look at the 4 hour charts, here also prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. Also notice it is trading in this bullish channel. So once it comes out of this channel, once it trades below 20 period, you can expect a greater price correction, and any bearishness in gold price for the day, for the week, is below 29.80 levels. Below 29.80 it should not come back up again. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is trading at extremes. It is trying to converge here, wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. RSI is extremely overbought, and this also calls for a little pullback here. Now, looking at the daily, and before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily chart, see one thing, after this retracement, it has given a breakout. It is trading bullish looking upwards. There is no sign of a reversal as of now. Also, the week has started with a consolidation, and you can see the steps are getting created. Body size is increasing. Now, if it reverses from the current levels, if at all it trades below 3,300 or the $3,000 and 2980 levels, you can say we will look forward to a greater correction where the prices can move all the way towards 2950 and lower. But right now, when you look at the move today, see it was outside Bollinger Bands and hence definitely getting a pressure here on the upside, and it is trying to stay in zone. Now, even if you connect higher low, so you can say 3010 and 3000 levels are going to be the prime support for the day. If you look at a stochastic, this is staying extremely overbought for now for weeks here, and thus it has to cool down very soon. The MACD here has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking downwards. The RSI is overbought as well. So looking at this now, I will recommend you to buy here at 38 levels. Expect it to move towards 3042, 44, 3048, 52. If 3052 is taken, I think you can just stay bullish from there. Beyond 3052, we are looking forward to a greater rise, which can take the prices towards 3068, 70 zone. And if that is also taken, there is no looking back. We are looking forward to 3085, 3100, 3115. Though appears difficult as far as my opinion is concerned, but these are markets, anything and everything is possible. See, my opinion hardly matters. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3030 levels. Expect 302625 as the first target, 3020 as the second, and then below that 3015, 3016. Till here it's also fine. Then 3010, 08. Till here also it has got greater support. So see, the downside support are pretty strong, and then the most important level, $3,000 will come into picture. A draw below 3,000, clear sign that we are looking forward to a possibility of a move towards 2980.84, and a move below 2980.84, clear sign that we are looking forward to 2950 levels as the next targets. Such a strong move appears difficult looking at the move as of now, so take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts. See, after a while now, the move MACD on the moving average on the hourly charts is now starting to look downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. Now look at this. I have mentioned earlier in the day, 3360, 3340 should be a greater support, and you can see by yourself it is indeed offering a greater support. What has happened since then? See what silver is delivering: higher lows and higher highs and lower lows here on the hourly chart. See this, connect the dots, you will find this is how it has been trading. Where are the highs here? Highs for this channel is towards 3440, 3450 zone. The lows here are towards 3320. Let's wait for the direction it takes with the next candle. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD right now on the hourly charts is bearish, while the RSI is starting to look upwards. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, what's happening? Notice, see, it was taking the support from 20 period, it has breached this. Now it is taking the support from the 50 period here. And see, this is how it has been trading. It has to come out of this sideways box. Specifically, a move below 3340 will confirm the next downside move here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD has also dropped, it is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is trying to bounce back. On the 3, similar is the observation here on the 3-hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise. Right now it is consolidating. It has a potential to retrace towards 3020, 3320, $33 levels. These are going to remain greater support zone, but for this to happen, the first median at around 3350 level should appear. So that median it has to break, and that is why I say this complete zone between 3360 3340 should offer a greater support for silver. The stochastic here has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, this is how it has been trading. We have to wait for it to come out of this, and a drop below 3360, 3340 should confirm the bearishness further. Right now, it is struggling to stay lower. See this, and see every drop it follows with a good rise here. And now, if it trades above 34, 20, 25, you can just stay bullish from there. In fact, if you see silver is staying above 34.10, that is the lower price above 34.10, you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, look at the preceding two candles. Retracement was there, then a pullback has appeared. Now the current candle is trying to erase the gains from this candle. Now, if at all it trades now below 33.70 and then 33.40 levels, you can say on the weekly basis the charts are turning red, and then potential movement towards 33 can be expected. Now, yes, we can see this rise, retracement, rise, consolidation. So this could follow with a retracement where the support till towards 33 is going to remain a very strong one. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping. The MACD is still rising here, trading in green. The RSI is flat at top. So considering this, now I'll recommend only a buying entry above 34.10. And if it trades above 34.10, stay bullish for 34.2025 first, 34.50 second, and then 34.85, $35 level should appear. A move beyond 34.85, 35 should take the prices all the way towards 35.50, $36 levels. While on the downside, now the selling entries are at 33 cents, where you can expect 33.50, 33.40 at the first target zone, 33.15, $33 levels at the second. And if it trades below 33, there is no looking back. We are looking forward to 33, 32.50, 60 and 32.20 levels at the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And do not miss to trade with the trailing stop loss.